the toughest machine races ever. And the giant machine that will leave you absolutely stunned. Oh no, thick black smoke has almost covered the entire area. This giant tractor is taking part in a competition to prove what true power really is. Next is a competition held in the United States. Featuring the Kenworth W900, an extremely powerful truck equipped with a 700 HP engine. As soon as the signal is given, the two massive machines charge down the track at full speed. They look absolutely brutal, don't they? An unexpected accident happened as the tanker truck plunged straight down a deep cliff. Thankfully, no lives were lost. After a long wait, it was rescued by a Kobelco excavator, which secured heavy cables to the rear of the truck and slowly pulled it back up. Give this powerful machine some extra support by commenting 1. The recovery operation begins in the middle of the field. The logging tractor, weighing over 28,000 pounds, uses a nearly 300 HP engine and a massive steel winch system to pull the trapped machine out of the deep mud. Its 4 heavy tracks continuously crush the soaked ground while the giant machine slowly rescues the tractor, sinking deeper into the dangerous open field. You've probably never seen a tractor this massive before, right? The John Deere tractor weighs more than 20,000 pounds and uses a nearly 300 HP diesel engine to pull heavy farming equipment behind it. Light clouds of dust roll into the air as the hydraulic system works non-stop, keeping the giant machine stable and powerful through hours of operation. And this is exactly how that giant machine works. The John Deere tractor, powered by more than 300 HP, pulls a massive multi-blade plow to break through hardened soil and prepare dozens of acres of farmland for the next planting season. Its diesel engine roars nonstop as the powerful tractor drives forward, forcing the heavy plow through thick layers of mud and dirt across the endless open fields. Subscribe now to watch more gigantic machines that will leave you absolutely amazed. The Forsby tractor is tearing up the ground itself, sending dirt flying everywhere. Just listen to the sound of its engine. You can already tell how powerful this machine really is, right? Weighing over 18,000 pounds and powered by a 200-plus HP diesel engine, it can battle harsh terrain and brutal natural conditions with ease. This machine has probably been around for a very long time. Its classic design and faded exterior clearly show the marks of time. Yet today, it still has to keep working. But bad luck can happen to anyone. The K150 tractor ended up trapped deep in thick mud. The peak of excavator operating skills. This operator is controlling a Komatsu excavator as it carefully moves down onto the road. No list of the world's most gigantic machines would be complete without the Caterpillar underground mining loader. weighing over 90,000 pounds, it is secured with massive steel chains onto a multi-axle transport truck for delivery deep into underground mining sites. Its 300-plus HP diesel engine and high-capacity loading bucket allow the machine to continuously scoop and transport dozens of tons of ore through narrow, dark tunnels. Just look at this massive pile of scattered logs. The TDT-55 is hauling and clearing the timber, weighing more than 13,000 pounds and powered by a nearly 90 HP diesel engine to drag huge logs across muddy terrain. If you like this machine, don't forget to comment 1 and share it.
Сейчас помогу ему вагон. Так, гружусь пока помаленечку. Чуть-чуть осталось, неполный рейд будет.
Appearing in the middle of the wild open fields is the mighty DAF K700. With its massive body and powerful engine, the giant machine slowly moves into the dry farmland. Layer by layer, it tears through the hardened soil, preparing the land for a rich and successful harvest season. It's the same machine, but this time it appears in thick, freezing snow. Do you think this giant machine can conquer such brutal terrain? The DAF K700 is equipped with a powerful 300 HP engine and a heavy-duty drivetrain, allowing it to push through deep snow and dangerous icy ground with incredible force. The Tata Hitachi excavator climbs back onto the bank smoothly with incredible precision and experience. Weighing more than 45,000 pounds, the excavator uses a nearly 140 HP diesel engine to pull its entire body through thick, slippery mud gripping the ground. Its hydraulic arm repeatedly presses against the edge like a giant support point, while the bucket throws mud everywhere beneath the roar of the engine. Subscribe now to follow even more dramatic and intense heavy machinery accidents.